What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Trading Learning 101. It's February 3rd, 2021. We got about a half hour before the market closes. A wild day today. Wild one for sure. CPSH running into the close here from 12 running up now to 1650. LIZI, another epic morning run from 6 all the way up to $10. And Sava having a great comeback today, all the way back up to the highs and breaking over yesterday's highs at 74, running up and making a high at 85. This could keep going. It could run up to 100. We'll see what happens. Back to CPSH real quick. I want to keep seeing what this does. It may push all the way up to $20. We got a half hour, but keep in mind, this is way overextended. Way overextended. Don't be that guy that chases after this, getting FOMO. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video I dropped yesterday. Yesterday, I had a bad loser. I lost over $20,000 on Sava. That was a 26K loss, but on the day I was down $20,000. I told myself going into today, I wasn't going to let that affect me. I was going to keep pushing. And this is where you separate yourself from everybody else. If you have a bad day, you put it behind you, you learn from it, and you keep going on. Today, I was in the zone 100%, and everybody in the Discord chat was just making killer calls and plays today. Everybody, congratulations in the Discord. The Wednesday chat, you guys are the crew. You guys killed it today. You guys were all in the zone, ready to go, ready to rock and roll. Now, as for me, I'm not going to jump too much into it, but I was able to come back today. Today, I'm up a total $18,500. So I made back pretty much 95% of what I lost yesterday. Monday, I was up 10,000. Yesterday, Tuesday, I was down 20,000. So I was down negative 10,000 on the week. Now I just pushed myself up. I'm up, almost 9,000 in profit for the week. I'll take it after yesterday. Very, very good job, and I'm proud of myself for being able to do that. Looks like we got CLNN. Beautiful wedge breakout right there. From 1050 all the way up to 12. Good break. I had that up on my chart and I was watching it. CLNN, let's see. It's got a float of 37.5 million. It's on the NASDAQ and it's in the pharmaceuticals. This could run up to the high of day here and push up over it. It's a newer IPO, so it's hitting all-time new highs. Awesome move. See if it gets a pullback down here to 1150, maybe for a possible entry. I'm not going to chase after this when it's making new highs up here. But hopefully you guys were able to kill it today. There was a lot of opportunity out there on the table. A lot of opportunity. Real quick, GameStop still hanging out under $100. Going back Sunday when we prepared for the upcoming week, I told everybody, be careful with GameStop. More than likely, it's going downhill from here. Sure enough, Monday morning, opens up at 325, and it's just been a sell-off all the way down below $100. back down to 86. All this was a short squeeze. That's all it was. So once the squeeze is over, who else are they going to squeeze? Nobody. So prices are going to go back to where they came from. Sure, it may have a couple good bounces, but that's about it. Like today, morning sell-off right here. Nice bounce to the upside from 86 up to 105. And if you've been watching these stocks, GameStop, AMC, they all have been following each other in sympathy. So GameStop, AMC, Bed Bath & Beyond, BBBY, and also KOSS. A lot of people forgot about KOSS. I traded KOSS right here in the morning on this spike and here at the wedge breakout. KOSS, I was able to bring in almost 13,000. Right here trading KOSS. Nice range from $25 all the way up to 30 bucks. A $5 range. I'll take it. VUZI or LIZI made a killing on this in the morning. This thing was showing us all morning that it was strong. It would pull back and it would surge up even higher. That's telling you something. There's a demand for the stock. Made just over 7,000 on LIZI. Pola, I took a stab at Pola. I tried getting in right here for the break of the high of day, and this is why I hate chasing high of day breakouts, because they fail. I bit the bullet on that. Lost just over $1,000 on chasing a high of day breakout. And then DDD. Everybody forgot about DDD. Had a nice move from 39 all the way up to 46 today. I just took a very quick scalp on DDD for 350 bucks. Nothing special. And then CPSH. I traded this 2 times. Right here, I got in on the pullback and it started to fall down below 12. So I just cut it. And then when it started to surge up right here, I got back in on the pullback and I was able to make back some of what I lost. So I'm just going to wash my hands and be done with it. I'll take it. This is a great day after what happened yesterday. Not many people could take a big loss like that and then the next day make almost all of it back. That's why I say you gotta emotionally condition yourself to be a trader. You cannot let your P&L dictate your future. Give me 1 second, guys. Alright, let's see what CPSH will do here on this little pullback. CLNN, that pulled all the way back to 11. Right here, I'd be looking for this area to hold up right here for a bounce back on up. So keep CLNN on watch. And then LIZI, it's been lingering around. I don't know what's going to happen with that. It could squeeze back up to 10 or it could fade out. So keep CLNN on watch for a potential bounce. I don't think I'm going to play this one. And then look at CPSH failed because it already ran up. A lot of people overlook how much a stock has already ran. So CPSH, it's set up right here and ran, set up here, popped, set up here, popped. And that's CLNN. It really could pop back up from there. I'm not really too good though trading power hour. Every time I trade power hour, I get my butt handed to me. LIZI's perking up to that $9. Let's see what LIZI will do here. It could get running at the end of the day here. It'll pop over 9, run up to 930, 950. From there, we should see 25 minutes left till the market closes. Thanks for the follow, Silent. Like I mentioned earlier though, guys, I'm really proud of myself on the way I handled it today. Didn't let yesterday faze me. If you guys have not seen that video I dropped yesterday, go and watch it. There's a lot of valuable lessons in that video. It takes a lot of guts to show your big loss like that. Not a lot of traders will do that. And thank you to everybody who showed support also. I got a lot of messages and emails from people supporting me and giving me a pat on the back, saying I'll bounce back and it'll be all right. I appreciate it. CLNN just basing there at 1120. I'd be careful with it because it could easily slam down to 1050. What did you guys trade today? I had a question earlier in chat. I think it was AG Capital or CJS Investments that asked, what made me come to the conclusion that KOSS was gonna pop with GameStop? Well, just pull up all the charts. Let me pull them over. So you got KOSS right here. You got GameStop just below it. And let me pull up BBBY below that, even though BBBY is running. But compare these three charts. These three charts right here. They pretty much look similar, don't they? I say it all the time, 3 out of 4 stocks follow the overall market. And if you have a stock that heats up and it's taking off and exploding and it's clearly the leader, like GameStop, other stocks within that sector are going to follow in sympathy. So whatever GameStop does, you can anticipate the other stocks to follow right behind it. So I would use GameStop as my lead indicator And anytime GameStop broke through a really good resistance level or was at a good buy point, I would call it out in chat. And then sure enough, KOSS was lagging behind about a minute. Gave you plenty of time to take a position. And whenever GameStop would push up, a minute later, KOSS would push up. And then when GameStop would crash, that was your signal to get out of KOSS. You had a minute to get out. So look at GameStop popped over VWAP right there. So did KOSS. It fell below VWAP, fell below VWAP. GameStop claimed VWAP, but KOSS failed right there. GameStop got over VWAP,